Do you know many people are having trouble with their Navman MiVue ALTA Dashcam beeping repeatedly when going over bumps? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Adjust G-sensor sensitivity. Adjust the sensitivity level of the G-sensor via the Navman MiVue Pro app to reduce false triggers when going over bumps. Step 2. Enable Smart Mode. Enable Parking Mode monitoring and select the Smart Mode option, which will record when vibrations or moving objects are detected. Step 3. Ensure continuous power. Ensure that the dashcam is powered with an uninterruptible power cable or the smart box accessory to operate in parking mode effectively. Step 4. Set low power mode. Set the dashcam to low power mode in parking mode. Vibrations will wake up the dashcam to start recording with minimal power use. Step 5. Activate emergency recording. Manually activate emergency recording by pressing the designated button while continuous loop recording is in progress to capture events like bumps. Step 6. Manage event storage. Regularly check and manage the storage capacity of the event folder to ensure new recordings are saved without interruptions. By following these steps, you should be able to prevent your Navman MiVue ALTA Dashcam from beeping repeatedly when going over bumps. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Navman users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.